Hi, welcome to this Die Designer video. We will be today we will be looking at Misumi pilot lifters. So yeah, up in the components menu, scroll down to the pilot lifters, or MPL. Brings up the dialog box. And yeah, we have a few options. These Misumi pilot lifters are all metric. So I do have the decimal inch equivalent in the parentheses wherever you see that. Your pilot hole diameter. If I click here, this all updates, with the inch conversion in real time. So yeah. So anyways, let me show you. We got a couple. We have the plan view and the profile view. And yeah, let me run you through this. Usually I like to start out with a profile view because that helps me determine my length. And I'm going to get that a little shorter. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just looking at all my settings right now, and I'm going to click OK. And it prompts me for an insertion point, and I am going to go between and that direction. Yeah. So it drew it in. I'd check my travel to, my rails or something, and if that didn't work, I'd certainly have to adjust that. But for this demonstration, we're fine. So I am going to finish this up. I'm going to put a unified behind here, a unified screw cap. I am going to put a leaf spring behind here. Okay. Distance 798. All right, so it'll be about a 2-inch leaf spring. Little cleanup. Yeah. Yeah, so there you got your pilot lifter in the profile view. MPL. Let's put it in the plan view. Okay. Now we have this unified behind here and this leaf spring, so let's put both of those in. Unified. Let's go with the plan view. Leaf spring. Let's use what we just put in the profile view. And then our pilot hole. Let's see what we got here. 126 PO. Okay. All right. So yeah, there's our plan view for our pilot lifter, but I want to show you something real quick here. We're going to make this into an intelligent group. Right now, this group consists of this pilot lifter, this leaf spring, and then the unified screw cap. All separate items, all with their own intelligence, all with the ability to transform into different things. But what I am going to do is, just to clean everything up, is go to Object Group, or OG. I am going to select entities in the order they would appear in the bill of materials. So first the pilot lifter, the spring, the unified, and then I'm going to select what I want to make invisible. So I'm going to make that spring invisible. Yeah, and now it's an intelligent block. I'm going to go with my search and replace. And I'm going to replace all these pilot holes with pilot lifters. So yeah, erase the original. Let's go with, show you some of the intelligence now. So we got our split leader balloon. We'll detail 1. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, we got our pilot lifter, we got our spring, and we got our unified. So let's go over here and run the bill of materials and see how it picked that up. BM. Yeah. There you go. 10 required for all those places, all those details or pilot holes that I search and replace, the leaf springs, the unified. So yeah, kind of neat, kind of cool. Once again, whoop, MPL. We do have some help system here. Gives you a little bit of your intelligence, where the menu location is, command line, and then the tip I just showed you with the leaf spring or a die spring along with the cap screw and doing that object grouping. Video demonstration to see this video. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.